Welcome back to Gear Lab, your headquarters for the boldest, smartest, and most powerful Amazon finds of 2025. Today, we've lined up 30 insane tools and tech upgrades that will blow your mind, boost your productivity, and protect your home or workspace like never before. From lightning-fast Wi-Fi and smart cable solutions to pro-grade tools trusted by engineers, this lineup isn't just gear. It's your new unfair advantage. Let's dive in. Fiber optics are the backbone of our connected world. And if you want absolute precision and speed, the SignalFire AI9 Fusion Splicer is the king of the game. With 6 motors and a iPower core alignment, it guarantees flawless connections. With virtually zero loss, add in a 5-inch HD screen, mobile app connectivity, and a monster 7,800 mAh battery for 260 splices in one charge. And you're holding the future of fiber tech in your hands. Engineers, contractors, tech builders. This isn't a tool. It's a weapon of accuracy. What's the point of blazing fast connections if you can't test them? Enter the SKYSHL OTDR fiber tester. With dual wavelengths, event mapping, and multi-core testing, it's like giving your network a full-body scan. Think of it as the X-ray machine for your fiber lines. Whether you're qualifying FTTH, troubleshooting LAN WAN, or fine-tuning CATV networks, this handheld beast ensures no weak link goes undetected. Signal interference killing your performance? The SeeSii TinySA Ultra Plus gives you the eyes to see the invisible, covering 100 kHz to 7.3 GHz. This handheld analyzer also doubles as a signal generator. Whether you're aligning satellites, debugging RF systems, or chasing down rogue frequencies, it delivers pro-grade data in the palm of your hand, 10 hours of battery life, ESD protection, and real-time app sync. Networking pros and DIY warriors, listen up. The RJ45 Crimp toolkit is your all-in-one solution for building flawless Ethernet connections. Heavy-duty steel crimper, mini stripper, 20 connectors, and a cable tester. This kit doesn't just save you money. It saves you from those hair-pulling headaches of bad connections. Plug, crimp, test, done. Whether you're wiring a home office or a full building, this is network mastery in a bag. Imagine working on your laptop, gaming, or streaming, then boom, blackout. Disaster? Not if you've got the CyberPower SL700U UPS with 8 outlets, USB ports, and green power efficiency. It's your shield against outages and surges. Slim, wall-mountable, and powerful enough to keep your systems running long enough to save files, finish matches, or power down safely. In 2025. Backup power isn't optional, it's survival. Tools everywhere? Time to organize like a pro. The Klein Tools Tradesman backpacks 39 pockets into a rugged, water-resistant fortress. A hard case for glasses, padded straps, and a molded bottom keep your gear safe from drops, dirt, and weather. Whether you're an electrician, contractor, or weekend dyer, this isn't just a backpack. It's your mobile measuring tapes? Forget them. The Huepar dual laser projects a green beam up to 393 feet, accurate enough to measure length, area, volume, and even angles. Store 100 measurements, auto-rotate LCD, tripod mount. This tool doesn't just measure, it levels up your workflow. Builders, architects, designers, this is your pocket laser lab. Every home, every workshop needs one tool above all, a drill. And the AVID Power 20 volts cordless drill set is the Swiss Army knife of drills. Variable speed, 22 included bits, LED lighting, and a lightweight grip that saves your wrist on long jobs. From hanging shelves to assembling furniture to heavy-duty drilling, it's power without the price tag. Nothing kills productivity like tangled cables. Enter the reusable cable ties. 60 premium nylon straps Keep your home office, studio, or garage looking clean and pro. Adjustable, reusable, and strong enough to tame even the nastiest cable jungles. It's a tiny product with a massive quality of life upgrade. And finally, the heartbeat of every modern home, Wi-Fi. The NETGEAR Orbi 770W IFI7 isn't just fast, it's a rocket, covering 8,000 square feet, 100 devices, and blasting 11 gigabits per second speeds. This mesh system guarantees smooth streaming, lag-free, gaming, and secure browsing with NETGEAR Armor Protection. It's future-proof, it's powerful, and it's everything your family, your office, and your smart devices deserve. This is the Swiss Army knife for fiber optics. The YGGYM optical power meter doesn't just measure at diagnosis. With its 4-in-1 design, you're testing, tracing, and troubleshooting all in one pocket-sized device. From locating fiber breaks, up to 5 kilometers away to testing Ethernet continuity, this is the kind of tool that keeps IT pros and network engineers ahead of the curve. Compact, rechargeable, and precise to within 0.5 decibels, it's a powerhouse for anyone serious about connectivity. Next fiber techs, this one's for you. The Jonard TK350 kit gives you 2 essentials in one pouch. The legendary 3-hole stripper for clean fiber prep, and Kevlar shears sharp enough to cut through the toughest cables. It's durable, ergonomic, and belt ready. If fiber is your battlefield, this is your sidearm. Lost wires, messy installs, confusing networks gone. The Klein Tools Wire Tracer Kit helps you hunt cables like a pro. Ethernet, coax, telephone, you name it. With 5 distinct tones traveling over 1,000 feet, and a probe that even works in noisy environments, you'll find your target fast. It's precision, packed with LEDs, work light, and even a headphone jack for loud job sites. Klein didn't just make a tool, they made a problem solver. Now let's talk power. The dual 20 volts oscillating toolkit isn't just versatile, it's unstoppable. With a brushless motor delivering 57% more runtime, 3 speeds, and tool-free blade changes. This is every craftsman's dream. From precision cuts to sanding tight corners, Dual gives you pro-grade control plus an LED spotlight, so you'll never miss the mark. A must-have for anyone who builds, repairs, or renovates. Imagine every tool you ever need organized in one powerhouse kit. The KingTool 276-piece set brings you a full drill driver plus hundreds of hand tools from pliers to screwdrivers neatly stored in a pro toolbox with a sliding drawer. Whether you're repairing furniture, hanging shelves, or tackling home projects, this kit turns any homeowner into a handyman overnight. DIers and makers this one's for your creative side. The DEPSTECH 8 volts rotary tool is like having a precision workshop in your hand. With 5 speeds up to 30,000 RPM and 127 accessories, it carves, sands, drills, polishes, you name it. USB-C. Charging, ergonomic grip, and a smart anti-block system. It's built to keep up with your imagination. For light-duty tasks, meet the Dremel Lite 7760. Cordless, ergonomic, and powered by variable speed control. This tool is perfect for engraving, polishing, and finishing delicate projects. With a quick accessory change system, USB charging, and 10 versatile attachments, you'll never look at DIY the same way again. Pros know that organization saves time and money. The Brady M210 label printer is built tough with military-grade durability. Drop-resistant, shock-proof, and ready for job sites. It prints everything from heat shrink tubing to QR codes. Auto-formatting. 11 design guides and hotkey shortcuts. This isn't just a printer, it's your command center for labeling chaos into order. Now, where do you carry all that gear? The UUP Heavy Duty Tool Bag is your mobile workshop. With 16 pockets, water-resistant Oxford fabric, reinforced zippers, And non-slip rubber feet. This bag is built like a Tank Dock tactical mall straps. And reflective safety stripes take it even further. Whether you're on site or on the go, this is the bag that holds it all. And finally, network warriors, meet your new best friend. The RJ45 Crimp tool kit comes with everything a pro-grade crimper. Tester, 50 connectors, 50 boots, and a mini stripper. With pass-through technology, every connection is faster, cleaner, and full dash-proof. No-fail crimps. No wasted cables. Just plug and play perfection. Tired of messy, unreliable cable jobs? The Klein Tool's Impact Punchdown tool makes data cable connections flawless every single time. Built with a cushioned non-slip handle and an adjustable force setting, this tool lets you punch and cut cables in one smooth move. If you want your networking projects to look pro-level instead of DIY guesswork, this is the tool that separates the rookies from the real pros. Question for you: how many times have you messed with Wi-Fi? Now that your cables are in, how do you know they're solid? The Klein Tools Cable Tester Kit takes the guesswork out. With the Scout Pro 3 and 5 locator remotes, you can instantly detect miswires, shorts, or breaks up to 2,000 feet of cable. Imagine the time saved on installs, repairs, or even just setting up a clean home office. It's like having X-ray vision for your cables. Drop a emoji in the comments if you've ever wasted hours hunting a bad connection. When your internet speed is life, the Elenzk Micro Gigabit Fiber Media Converter is the hidden gem. Ultra compact, USB-C powered, and durable, this converter bridges Ethernet to fiber seamlessly. Perfect for IP cameras, smart homes, or tight server spaces, it ensures blazing fast, reliable data over 20 kilometers. Small size, massive impact. Would you trust this little device to carry your home network? Let us know below. Meet the Tesla of power banks, the Omni 20 Plus. With 20,000 milliamp hours and a C outlet, USB-C PD wireless charging, and even solar recharge options, this thing powers laptops, drones, cameras, or your phone fast. Traveling, working remote, or just sick of dead batteries? The Omni 20 is your portable wall socket ready anywhere, anytime. If you could charge one essential device first during a blackout, which would it be? Tell us below. Here's the secret sauce for powering up smart devices: the Gigabit PO Injector adapter. It delivers both data and power over a single Ethernet cable up to 100 meters. Perfect for powering IP cameras, access points, or VoIP phones without messy wiring. Just plug and play and boom, you're running pro-level setups like a network boss. Would you use this for cameras, phones, or Wi-Fi extenders? Comment your setup idea. Every handyman, RV traveler, or homeowner needs a ladder that doesn't hog space. Enter the SoStone telescoping ladder. Extends up to 12.5 feet, folds down to just 33 inches, and supports 330 pounds with stabilizers for rock-solid safety. Whether it's fixing a roof, reaching storage, or climbing into your RV, this ladder is strength, safety, and portability in one. Who else hates storing bulky ladders? Hit that like button if you'd swap yours for this beauty. Ever wished you could see what's hiding behind walls? The HF96V thermal camera turns heat into sight. With super resolution tech and live thermal imaging, it finds leaks, insulation gaps, or overheating wires in seconds. Add the laser pointer and 30,000 image storage, and it's basically giving you superpowers for inspections. What's the first thing you would scan with a thermal camera? Comment below, I bet we'll see some wild answers. Protect your gear like it's priceless. The Belkin Surge Protector offers 12 outlets, 8 rotating, 4 standard plus phone and coax protection. With 4,320 joules, it shields your home office, gaming rig, or entertainment setup from power surges. Plus, that flat pivot plug is a lifesaver in tight spots. It's protection and convenience in one. Quick poll, what's plugged into your surge protector right now? Pros swear by Fluke, and here's why. The Fluke 117-323 kit gives you both a multimeter and clamp meter perfect for residential and commercial electricians. True RMS accuracy, non-contact voltage detection, and AC current up to 400 amps. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or an electrical pro, this kit is the gold asterisk. Any electricians watching? Drop a emoji in the comments. Finally, let's solve one of the most annoying problems ever: dropping screws and nails. The Rack Magnetic Wristband keeps everything you need strapped to your wrist with 10 powerful magnets. Screws, drill bits, bolts. It's all there, right? Where you need it. Perfect gift for handymen, dads, or anyone who's ever yelled, "Where the heck did that screw go?" Tag a friend who always loses screws. You know the one. And there you have it, 30 game-changing Amazon upgrades for 2025. These aren't just tools. They're investments in speed, safety, and serious performance. Check out the links in the description. Support the channel and gear up today. Smash that subscribe button. Drop a comment, which of these upgrades do you need right now? And let's build the smartest, strongest community of gear lovers on YouTube. This is Gear Lab, where innovation meets domination.